Hi, it's Molly and welcome back to the Girl Get Glamorous Hair channel. Today's video is all about how to wear your extensions in pigtails or braids. I get a lot of questions about hiding the wefts, making them so they're not seen when you're wearing pigtails, and I want to show you how I do it. I'm only going to be using the ponytail pack today. I'm going to separate those from the rest of the extensions, 5 of these 3.3-inch pieces and 2 1-inch pieces. I'm also going to be using a comb to part my hair, some clear bands, some clips to hold my hair out of the way. I also have a little bit of texture spray, which I like to use to help the extensions grip. I'm gonna start by parting my hair. I don't always wear a center part because on me, a side part is just the more flattering look, so choose whatever one looks the best for you. I'm gonna start clipping my extensions in just above my ear. I'll go probably a ½ inch to a full inch above that first piece and clip in the second piece now. When you take the hair down, you can start to play around with your hair in the back and make sure that it's covering up those wefts. Let's add in the third and final piece on this side. You can see the key with putting in extensions for braids or ponytails is to center them a little bit more than you normally would. Normally they go a little bit farther back in my head. Anytime I'm wearing extensions, I always add a little bit of volume up top. And then you can do either your pigtail or your braid. I always like to grab a little hair and wrap it around the band just to hide that band. So pull the band out first, then wrap the hair and tuck the end through the band. Again, I'm gonna start about ear level clipping them in. This time I'm gonna start with my 2 1-inch pieces. Here is the finished look. As you could see from the back, the extensions are totally hidden. So now you could do braids, pigtails, whatever parted hairstyle you want. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. You can go check out more on our blog at girlgetglamorousHAIR.com, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.